Huaheng Vision Robot Intelligent Tube Expanding and End-Facing System, independently developed by Huaheng. Based on intelligent tube expanding technology, this system integrates end-facing functionality per user requirements. Full system high-precision tube hole alignment, structurally stable and reliable. Significantly improves quality and speed of expanding and end-facing. Achieves applications in heat exchanger industry, boiler tube to drum joints, and tube sheet expanding, facing. Meets multi-process integration demands. Aligned with smart manufacturing standards, designed for Industry 4.0 requirements. AI Vision enables real-time positioning error correction. Delivers zero-defect expanding solutions for nuclear power and high-pressure chemical equipment.